Yo, what's up people? How it's going? Welcome to Coding Board. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a GitHub repository in GitHub. So I have logged into my GitHub account, so you can see the dashboard here. So in this case, you can see in this page, there is a button called New on Green icon. So click on this and let's jump into this page. And you can see create a new repository preview is here. So you can select the owner. Usually the owner will be you, or if there is any other organization added, you will display that one in this drop down list. So give a repository name here. I will give a repository name called test coding bot. You can see the test coding bot repository name is already allowed and available. So you can give a description if you have some kind of a description here. It is not a mandatory one, it is optional. So you can choose the visibility of your repository, whether it is public or private. If it is public, anyone can see the repository inside your profile. If it is private, only you can see the and you can commit and push these changes to the repository. So start with a template. If you need a template, you can select the template here. So if you need the readme file, you can add the readme file and add a gitignore file. So I will add the gitignore file here. So you can select the gitignore option if you need. So add license, if you need some add license, you can add that one here. You can see these are the license listing here. These things are not mandatory, this is optional. So I'm going to create the repository like this. So this is my created repository called test coding bot. And if you need to clone this repository to your local PC or to your local machine, use this way to take the HTTPS code. If you need the SSH URL, you can take this here, or else you can copy this one and use the git clone option to clone this one to your local PC. So you can list down the branches here. So the current branch is main. So this is how we can create a repository on GitHub. I think this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and share this video to your batchmate or to your classmates as well. I will meet you soon in the next video. Bye for now.